All right, so continuing where we left off in the last one, we were trying to figure out the y-intercept because we found out whenever you have an equation that's parallel to another line or the equation of another line, you know their slopes are always going to be the same, because if they have the same slope, they're going to be increasing or decreasing at the exact same rate, and they're never going to touch when they have the exact same slope. But the piece of information that we still need to find is my b, my y-intercept. And it looks like my y-intercept is going to be way up here somewhere. And instead of going through all the work of figuring that out, I might as well just use the piece of information they gave me, the point -7,1. I can plug this point -7,1 into my equation that I'm trying to figure out. Okay, just instead of having a blank right there, I'm going to put in the letter b. Okay, so I have plus b. We need to solve for b now. So I'm going to just go like this. I can use the point -7,1 in my new equation. My 1 is my y, so I'd have to plug 1 in for y equals 6 times x. Well, my x is -7 at that point, so I'm going to go times -7 and then plus b, because that's what we're trying to figure out. And now I just have to solve this equation. So I would have 1 equals, well, 6 times -7 is -42, and then still plus b. And then to get -42 off of the side with b, because I want to solve for b, I would just add 42, add 42 to both sides. And then you're left with 1 plus 42 is 43. And that's equal to b. So now I have my y-intercept. So when I write my new equation, all right, I always have the first part of my equation pretty much there for me. It's just the same slope as the other equation, so it's going to be y equals, in this case, 6x, because the slope in the other equation was 6, right? And then my new y-intercept we figured out is 43, so I'm just going to go plus 43. And that seems like it would be about right, because this line has a slope of 6. And it looks like its y-intercept is going to be way up here if I continued this line right here, and it looks like it would probably end up at about 43, way above my computer screen even. All right, but my equation was y equals 6x plus 43.